My name is Jai Bailey, also known as Banksy. I am a visual artist and designer from Brooklyn, New York, currently living and working out of Queens. For those who don't know, a couple months ago I applied to be a Converse All-Star Design Apprentice, and I got contacted back and was asked to become a part of a design combine. So today we just gonna unbox the combine package, that they sent over. We're gonna see what we got. So I'm gonna open it up, I'm gonna see what we got, and then I'm gonna take the box off. See the facts. About the combine, what's in here. Hold on. Already I see a sneaker box. I ain't gonna touch that yet. What's this? I got ready, home. Little branding on here. You feel me? I don't got this. I don't think I got this, so that's heat. I see a hat, little snapback, green brand, corn black on black. I see a book bag in here. The book bag got some stuff in here too, so we're gonna tap into that. This is fire. I actually did need a backpack, corn black bag. We're gonna tap into what's in here later. We got some Pantone postcards. We about to get crazy with the colors. This is my body. Alright, we're gonna leave this right here. We got a color wheel. White cyanotype paper. White cyanotype paper. Yeah. I don't know what this is, a basin. We got some sketch pads in here, a ruler, little DoorDash Giphy. What's this? We got a little mug jar. Okay. This is fire. Yes, sir. That. Alright, before we even touch the sneakers again, I'm gonna open this bag up, see what's inside the bag. Inside the bag we got work gloves. We got a little Nike Giphy. We got some Prismacolor markers. Yes, sir. We got, what's this? We got some hydrogen peroxide. I don't know what that's for, but Corona. Stay green. We got some Sharpies. Get the colors booming with that Pantone. We got an X-Acto. We got a little staple gun. We got some pencils. We getting busy. Cool, we got some swatch samples. We got artist tape, scissors, staples, erasers. Nothing in that pocket. This pocket we got some bubbly. We got some champagne in here. You know, get the porty started. We got what's in here? We got some sparkling water to get that party started too. So we got in here. Open them seats up. We got some, feel me, golf fizz, the fleer, Converses. Feel me? We're gonna tap on. You know, summer coming, and we outside, so I appreciate it. Yeah, so this actually does, yeah, we're gonna get into it. Y'all did ask some questions. So what does this opportunity mean to me? This opportunity, you know, actually means a lot to me because I've been interested in footwear for a very long time. And I have been applying to footwear positions for a very long time and not hearing anything back. So me sending out my portfolio to you guys and you actually, like, you know, contacting me back and asking me to be a part of this, you know, giving me this opportunity means that I'm on the right path, you know, that consistency, I gotta keep going. So yeah, you know, it's just really, thank you, this is exciting. You know, I'm hyped, I can't wait. 2 weeks, you know, what's my favorite items? The cliche is going to say the sneakers because you can never go wrong with good footwear. But other than that, my second favorite is the bag itself. You know, the bag is wavy. I did need a bag. Chrome black bag, you can wear with anything, you know. The hoodie's a close second. You know, I really appreciate the gifts. But if we talking about, you know, my favorite item like in life, probably, you know, like this. My grandfather's dog tag, you know, R.I.P. to him. Yeah, man, this is crazy. Yeah, last question was, you know, what do I want to get out of this opportunity? I'm just excited to learn, you know, firsthand. I want to be, this is something that, you know, I've dreamt about. You know, I always envision, like, my future, like, what paths, you know, I got to take to get where. And this is definitely something I've dreamed about, you know, designing footwear, actually having something that I design wearable on my feet to the public, you know, friends and family, people going crazy for my releases. And this is just like the first step, so I'm eager to learn, you know, the process from beginning to end. Yeah, I can't wait to show up and show out, man. Thank you.